Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the WORX WG928 GT 3.0. It's a combo kit with a string trimmer and blower, plus two 20V batteries. This convenient package has over 10,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Solid. The WORX brand also makes several other different packages, including hedge trimmers, quick chargers, and regular chargers, so check those out on the listing as well. Buying it in the bundle saves you time and money. The trimmer and edger is a 2-in-1, so it's almost like having 3 tools in this package. And Worx Power Share is compatible with all WORX 20V and 40V tools. So you can do it all with the same battery. With its turbine tech, which is modeled after a jet engine design, the turbine blower churns out 360 CFM at 75 miles per hour for a wide, powerful stream of air. It's compact and lightweight. Somehow the blower is only 4.4 pounds with the battery attached, and the trimmer edger is only 5.3 pounds. Both are light enough for anyone to operate. And finally, you'll always have fresh trimmer string on demand with the command feed system, so this trimmer edger is always cutting at peak efficiency. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Impressive. My main reason for buying this was that it shares batteries with my lawnmower and it's a pretty good price. I was not expecting this level of performance. Even when I threw it in the middle of some thick wet grass, it didn't even hesitate. Much more powerful than I was expecting. Solid purchase. Well, there you go. It's a great point on these package deals. It's a win-win situation. You get a better value, and the WORX company gets a chance to earn your repeat business. And it seems like a lot of people out there are very loyal to the WORX brand. You can pick up this combo with Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. So get yours today. I think you're going to love it.